back to Bag Buzz. I am Tammy.
And I'm Claudia.
And today we're going to be doing a review on the Chanel 22 Hobo. And we have some things to say, but we're going to keep it short. We're going to try to keep this under 10 minutes for you guys so that we're going to be quick to the point.
Yeah.
I love it.
Why?
But personally, I only love this one. The velvet or the denim, because hear me out, guys. If you bought the Chanel 22 Hobo, it has a plasticky smell to it. I don't like it. I have the bigger ones too. I wish we had the bigger ones too. If you own a 22 Hobo, please don't leave me hanging here and confirm with me. Okay, does it smell plasticky?
No, it doesn't. I have the 22 medium, and I have it in the calfskin, but it smells like calfskin. It does not smell like plastic.
It doesn't.
I will have to bring that in for you to smell.
Even if it's brand new. Like, I'm talking about authentic. Like, I know people are gonna be like, oh no, I think that was a counterfeit. No, I need, and it makes squeaky noises. I don't like it.
Okay, yes, it does squeak.
Every time I'm going, it's like.
But it's very comfortable. It's soft. It's supple. It's not going to.
Softer.
She's like rubbing it on me.
Softer.
She's like rubbing it on me. Feel how soft it is.
See?
Oh yeah, that is soft.
No squeaky noises. No
smell.
Plasticky smell. Because it's like that glazed kind of like calfskin. It has this like chemical treating on top that gives it that chemically plasticky smell. And I think like, I don't know if it was a wrong batch, you guys, but I would love to hear from those who own or bought the Chanel 22 authentic only, because we don't talk about authentic bags.
Yeah.
But that's why I didn't like it until this beauty stumbled upon.
I don't know. I have to disagree. I absolutely love these bags. I mean, yeah, I know it makes sounds, but I mean, are you going to be doing ASMRs with these bags?
No, and that's what I don't want to be walking around doing ASMR while I'm walking. Like, I'm just moving a little, I'm ruffling it, and it's going
I love this, and I like the size.
I love the size.
The size is like great, easy to go, grab and go. You know, you're just switching things out of your bag, and all you need are your essentials.
Do you think the rose gold though is too trendy?
No, I think rose gold is classic, and here's why. Think about old money. Rose gold, you're gonna wear it as a Rolex, and you're gonna wear it as this. You can pull this out any time, like any season. And I have to say this, winter, this is a pop of color. You know, you've got those gray skies, pop of color. This is going to come out. Spring, we're going to spring break, we're going into Easter, it's coming out. Summer, fun summer beach bag. You know, you're going to Cabo, you're going to Mexico. Why not?
What are you wearing this with?
I'm wearing this with denim. I'm wearing it even with this outfit. Look at this.
Okay, actually, I love that with denim. Yeah. Or maybe like a black leather. You love to wear black leather jackets.
I do. This would go.
So that would look really,
and it just. Yes, I know it squeaks.
This one's not as bad. The mini ones is not as bad. It's the bigger ones.
It's actually the large.
It's a large. Yes, it's a large.
Yeah, the large. And then the chain is really loud.
Yeah.
I have to agree with Tammy on that one, that the chain is quite loud on the large. The medium, you can still manage it. But the small, the minis, and the velvet.
This is nice.
This is nice.
It's limited edition.
Yeah.
It has that sequin Chanel all over it, which I've never seen before. It has that little shimmer.
Somebody come get this.
This is a new arrival here at Luxor. I don't think it's gonna last.
Yeah.
Can I ask you something? Sure. Because I love this velvet one. The reason why is because I had a friend tell me that she's like, if you get that bag looks like a garbage bag. And I was like, She really said that, and that's when it was embedded in me. She called it a trash bag. And
no, I do not see that. No, I don't see that.
I have that ingrained in me, because even the Aritzia puffer jacket has the same look. And she's like, those look like garbage bags.
I'm going to say no. Because Louis Vuitton just came out with a shopper.
Oh.
Think about that. It's a shopper bag. It looks like
I haven't seen that yet.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, fine. We're trending garbage bags. Fine. You know what? That's a trend. Because if you're gonna go camping, here's your garbage bag.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. No, it it doesn't.
No, not this one. That's what I'm saying. Not this one. And that's why I personally love this velvet
looks like
one.
a dumpling.
If it's in denim, because denim is going very strong in the fashion world of 2024. Burgundies.
You know, velvet's actually coming back.
Oh, I think velvet should have never went off the
No.
fashion trends.
Yeah. Velvet this is going to stay with you.
Yeah.
Velvet is always going to be with you. And just like this, you can bring this out anytime. I have to agree with Tammy. This is a beautiful
This
bag.
one's a beautiful one. Do you like it more than the black one you own? Come on, be honest. She owns the black large one. She owns with gold hardware. Oh, tell me.
I don't, okay. I love it, but I don't love
You
it
wouldn't
more.
trade? You wouldn't trade?
No, I don't.
Okay, well.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me then, why do you love it for its practicality?
I can put everything in it.
Okay,
I
yeah,
carry
that's
a
true.
water bottle, a notebook, everything. And I don't know, does this one actually have the extra bag?
Wait. No, this one doesn't have the pouch.
Oh, no. Okay,
This doesn't
so
have the
mine has
pouch.
the pouch, and I love the fact that you can detach the pouch and
Yeah.
take it out, move it into bags. These clips are great.
Oh my
yes,
goodness.
This is actually magnetic.
Yes.
We were talking about magnets.
Yeah.
And this is why I love these bags.
Just keep in mind, guys, it is a black hole. Like black vortex. So whatever you throw
But
in there,
that's why you need the
it
pouch.
is a
The
it's,
pouch is
what will
really
I get in
key.
there? Just kidding. I'm very dramatic, guys. Just don't listen to
But that's why the pouch is so key,
Yeah.
because you can put everything in the pouch, and then the only things you'll keep out, again, water bottle. I know everyone's like, Claudia, you're putting a water bottle in a Chanel.
Yeah,
Yes,
absolutely.
I am. I need to hydrate.
Yes.
Hydrate, 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 because how else will you know, glow with your bag? So,
Okay, love it for that. I love that they made this function where it can expand and
magnetic.
Easy to get it. So if you
Yes.
love the bucket bag, you'll love the Hobo bag.
this is a nice transition into Chanel.
What? Really?
I think so. If you're a never full girl,
Oh, so like, yeah.
yeah.
Okay, casual.
If you're a never full girly and you're like, I would,
It's just also 4 times the price.
it's okay.
Transition, also your bank account.
Yes, but investment.
Yeah.
These
that's true.
bags are an investment piece, because once a color sells out, they're not coming back.
I don't think the Hobo bag is gonna constantly go up in value. That's just my opinion, but I think
Really?
this limited edition one will.
Yeah.
Because it's just so rare.
This one will, but again, like I said, if once they stop making those colors,
Yeah, maybe.
Then-
no. Well, the thing is, Chanel's never a bad idea, to be
No.
honest. Chanel always goes up in prices. There's just some bags I believe are like better investments that go
Yeah.
that I want my stocks to do that as well.
Right.
Right.
Ooh,
there's-
maybe that'll be our next topic.
Ooh, yes.
Investment
Yeah.
bags.
Let us know if you guys want to talk
Please.
about that. We've been in the bag industry for a long time.
You can tell our crushes.
I know. So overall, do you love the Chanel 22 Hobo bag?
I do. I love the mini.
You love the mini?
I love the
Do
mini.
you like the mini with pearls? I'm sorry, I get
No.
off. No, you don't like.
No,
Oh, okay.
I don't, because I own the medium.
Yeah.
And then I think
want
about
sleek.
I like sleek, and if you think about the pearls, it's a bit, I have to say, like,
Too much.
it's almost
Tacky?
like not even tacky. Like, I get a little scared that those pearls are just gonna boop.
Oh, because
Pop
they're gold
off.
pearls. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And because
good point.
and they're costume, and so because of the way they're placed on, I get very nervous about that. And I think if your pearls are not attached to that bag, they're going to pop off. And I've seen that. I've seen with Chanel, something about their costume pearls don't stay on. So
Yeah. No,
yeah,
you're right about that.
yeah. See, the girls who love their bags,
Yeah.
know that.
9 out of 10 for me though.
Okay, I like
For
that.
only the velvet and denim Hobo bags. I'm sorry.
Oh.
But it's a 5 out of 10 for me. If I'm gonna honestly
Overall?
rate the other,
That's
the one
too
that
bad.
you have. I know.
I know.
Okay, what is your rating?
Mine is a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I bought it.
Okay, but you actually wear that every day. Like I see her
do.
come to work every day.
I do.
You wear that.
I carry that all the time. Yeah.
Well, there you guys go. I'm sorry we couldn't. We want to just give you all our opinions, honest opinions about these bags. But if you guys have any comments, you have questions,
Or
ask
you have
us.
an option or opinion, excuse me, about these bags, let us know.
Let us know. Yeah. Well, we'll see you in the next video.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.